Understanding the phrase, cleaning the pool. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, cleaning the pool. This phrase is used both literally and metaphorically, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your English skills. So, let's jump right in. When we talk about cleaning the pool, we are referring to the physical act of removing dirt, leaves, and other debris from a swimming pool. This involves using tools like nets, brushes, and pool vacuums. It's important in maintaining a hygienic and enjoyable swimming environment. This phrase is straightforward and is often used in everyday conversations, especially in regions where pools are common. Interestingly, cleaning the pool can also be used metaphorically. In this context, it signifies clearing up or organizing a messy situation. For example, if a company is restructuring, someone might say they are cleaning the pool to imply they are sorting out problems or inefficiencies. This metaphorical use is more nuanced and reflects the versatility of the English language in painting vivid pictures through everyday phrases. To fully grasp cleaning the pool, let's see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. Literal. I spent my morning cleaning the pool. It was full of leaves. 2. Metaphorical. Our new manager is really cleaning the pool in our department, streamlining our processes. These sentences show how the context determines the meaning of the phrase. I hope this exploration of cleaning the pool has been enlightening and fun. Whether it's literally tidying up a swimming pool or figuratively organizing a chaotic situation, this phrase is a great example of English's colorful expressions. Keep practicing, and you'll be swimming through English idioms and phrases with ease. See you in the next video.